What's up guys, monetary recap here, back at it again with another quick little recap video. Today I wanted to retouch over the previous support levels that we mentioned in last video. We had a very nice bounce from 10 cents, which we actually wicked down to 9 cents, but we had an amazing bounce from 9 cents to at least 12 cents, which is about 25% gain in 5 days, which compared to the previous pump we had from the same level, which was about almost 40%, which, I mean, 40% pump is huge in a single day. I mean, I don't think anyone took into account when that pump actually happened, you know, the fundamentals behind that. But I think that leading up to the future, that Pulse 2. Or V2B is live, so that's the last step before Pulse Chain will launch. And as soon as Pulse Chain launches, I think that we will break this line that we've had. I'm just straighten it out for my little OCD fans, but as you can see, we have a very strong resistance at 13.1. So as soon as we break 13.1, I think we're off to the races. We can make a new all-time high, or at least local high, at least up to 35 cents from this new low, and if not farther, because the RSI and all the indicators will obviously have been reset. So this was a quick little recap on Hex, guys. Make sure you look out for our upcoming Discord and any other future videos on Hex. We'll be covering all kinds of cryptocurrency, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and keep on the lookout for a Discord invite link, and tell your friends. Share the video, and you know, hold your bags and get rich. This has been Monetary Recap. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one.